Welcome to the ToolHound Learning Center. Let's look at picking requisitions on the ToolHound Mobile app. After logging in, tap Pick Requisition under Transactions. Scroll or type the requisition number in the filter bar to find the requisition to pick. Then tap the row for the requisition. Review the general information, including any special instructions. Tap Requested to view the list of parts and quantities to be picked. Each row shows the details of a part number. On the right is the quantity to pick in bold. Tap the image to view the full-size picture. As each serialized item is scanned, the balance decreases. You can substitute a part number with an item from a similar part by tapping the row, then scanning the item ID for the substitute item. Then tap Save to add it to the list of picked items. For quantity items, either tap the row or scan the item ID. Enter the quantity picked, then tap Save. When assembling many quantity items, you might not want to add each one individually. In this case, you can tap the double check at the top of the page to automatically pick the full quantity of all non-serialized items. Tap Picked to review the items and make any changes. And tap Save to generate the issue transaction, checking out the inventory. Thanks for watching this video from the ToolHound Learning Center. For any questions, contact our support team.